All right, so my wife and I have been together for 17 years and we'll be making some steak and chicken fajita tacos for our anniversary.
Big ass cutting board.
All right, so start off just cutting up some of the red meat just because the strips are usually pretty long. We got these for about $5.97 a pound. I got 5 pounds. All right. Cut these up so we can put these on the grill without having any issues with the length. Should be about good. Good. Ugh. Nope, I have it on the cutting board. All right, that was pretty. Okay, let's go get these on the grill. Okay. Just cleaned it off. Now we're gonna put it on the grill because these ones these take the most time. Cook it, cut it up, and then cook it, let it rest for a little bit, cut it up, and all that fun stuff. Just chilling, hanging out, making some food, barbecuing. Some fajita meat. How nice. The slices that cut up a little bit ago on the cutting board, they're like just the right size for the length of the grill. That's fine either way. I mean, it's all just gonna get cooked up, cut up, and eaten. All goes to the same place. Go. These bad boys on there. Ooh, nice. Good, nice pieces of fat. Do this. Check this out. Yeah. All right. Close it up. Whoa. All right, now we'll go back inside. Getting kind of hot out here. Okay, let's get this chicken separated out.
What? Oh. Really big pieces.
Okay, now let's go check on the meat that's on the barbecue, or that's on the grill right now. Now let's flip them. Flip it, flip me. Looking pretty good. All around. Show you in just a second what it's looking like. You can't see it from there. Luckily, these were some pretty chunky pieces of meat, so it didn't burn. Definitely gotta turn the heat down. Holy crap. Let's turn it around and show you where we are. And then there was one little piece right there just hanging out. So it's just gonna cook up there. Slow roast. Slow roasted. That's weird. All right, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, close this up. Come back out in a couple minutes. Maybe like a minute or two. That would be a couple minutes, wouldn't it? All right, now check on the steak. See how this is coming along. Should be about done by now. Ooh, yeah, check this out. Bam, that's what we're working with right now. Yummy. All right, there's a mosquito. Swear to God. All right, whatever, done. Oh, what the well, one of the burners went out. That's cool, I guess. Son of a biscuit. No, that tiny piece of meat saved it. All right, let's flip these over one more time. Oh my God, the smoke, it's following me. It's like it knows. Oh my gosh. All right, flip that one. Oh, I guess I already flipped that one. I'm flipping these over, but I don't know that it's really necessary. Oh my God. Okay, so we'll give it like another minute and a half and then we'll come back. Check out this. Check this out. Such a nice day out. Yeah. Okay. So, judging by all this smoke, I'm gonna say, oh shit. Yes, I am gonna say, oh shit. Oh yeah! That's fine, that's fine. We're good, we're good. Show you what it's looking like. It's not working. There we go. Good, good. I don't think that's a view anybody needs or wants to see. Up my nostril holes, just like all up in that business. All right, now let's go get the chicken. Okay. Yeah. Let's get these things on here. When the grill is this hot, I am not really gonna step too far away from it just because flames are really high. Yes, I know. You need to turn the heat down. No, really? Yes, I know. But doesn't exactly solve all of this. Show you the chicken wing. Actually, I think they're chicken thighs. Pretty, yeah, chicken thighs. Spread it out so it cooks more evenly. It's all gonna get cut up into smaller pieces, but that's fine. Oh, my eyes. Okay, now let's see. Power stance. Power stance.
How do you do it?
A little bit longer before we flip it. Give me enough time to go rinse this tray off. I just washed the pan off. Now we're gonna go flip these so they burn. Okay, now status report, status update, stat. Here we go. This is the status. There we go. And now back to my face, which is being blinded by the smoke. All right, close this up. And we'll. All right, so now we're good. We're good. Chicken should be about done. It's been going on the grill at super duper high heat for a while. It's been like 4 minutes, but flipping awesome is what this is. Flipping awesome. Oh, you know what's not awesome is this friggin' smoke in my face, man. Here, let's do this. And now everything is cooked nicely. Here's the chicken, the steak. Now the fun part. Let's cut it all up. While I'm cutting this stuff up, my wife is making white corn salsa and then sourdough tortillas. I am going to pop a squat, take a seat, and then get the stuff cut up. All right, 5 pounds of the steak cubed up. Now for the chicken. Ta-da! There, that good? Like that? This is what we're working with now. We got 2 bowls of the chicken, 2 bowls of the steak.
Oh no.
Yummy. All right, and when it's all said and done, this is spread for tonight's 17-year anniversary dinner. Homemade corn salsa, guac, cheese. My wife made another batch of red salsa, refried beans, the steak, chicken, and then some sourdough tortillas. This one makes a face on it. It's going, I'm done. Okay, bye.